Welcome to Fixed Object Collisions. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. Most professional drivers can make it through their entire career without ever being involved in a serious accident. Unfortunately, the same can't be said about making contact with fixed objects. Collisions with fixed objects, both large and small, can cause some serious damage to your truck, the object you hit, and your reputation as a professional driver. This course is designed to help you understand how to avoid an accident or incident involving your tractor-trailer and a fixed object. Specifically, it covers how to avoid contacting various obstructions while performing basic driving maneuvers. After completing this course, you will be able to identify ground level, eye level, and overhead obstructions that have the potential to make contact with your truck, and discuss how to avoid a fixed object collision, especially while driving, backing, or cornering.